The herpes zoster virus loves people who do not drink enough water, who do not eat correctly, don't sleep well every night. People that have their immune system down in order for shingles to appear and actually go around the body, around the lungs, and cause a heck of a pain that sometimes cannot be controlled. How do you make sure your body can control this infection, reverse the situation, remove the pain, the symptoms, and obviously the virus to be contained and see it be eliminated to the point where you don't see it ever again? What can you do about it? That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. Shingles is a situation where the body is seeing a virus that was dormant in the past that you might have gotten infected with, called the varicella zoster virus. Herpes zoster or shingles is the same thing. This is exactly the same thing, and it's a symptom caused by a virus that is resurfacing into your skin, causing these shingles to appear, and obviously with the pain, the symptoms, and all the situation that is being carried to your body. But how do you make sure that you can control this problem and its health condition? What should you be eating? What should you be doing? And what does it exactly mean when shingles appears around your body and doesn't let room for you to feel comfortable or actually put a shirt on because you're seeing the pain come up to the surface? Now, before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised at the amount of people that watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. Maybe a video that I do publish in the future with something that I say and that you do or practice could actually save your life. Number 1, what does it actually mean when shingle wraps around your body? Wrapping up around your body is practically telling you that shingles is not only contained in one area of your specific skin, it's being spread out through entire nerves that are where the virus stays dormant. The actual situation by which you see the symptoms is because maybe your immune system is going down, is being depressed, and at the same time, this virus loves to see that there is no immune system close by in order for it to appear on your skin, cause the pain, see that there are maybe even complications in the future if you don't take care of this situation, which is wrapping around your body, where you're seeing it be a lot worse than it should. You're going to probably see other complications if you're not careful, like, for example, pneumonia, hepatitis, encephalitis, which is brain inflammation, because this virus loves to live in nerves and will expand throughout the body if you are not real careful. Now, obviously, if you see shingles getting worse and uncontrollable, you need to seek medical attention. But there are many things that I'm going to mention right now in this video that are probably going to save the situation of what you're feeling and reverse the problem that you're trying to control. If you need something natural for this purpose, specifically that I do give my patients something natural for them to take, look for something like Cerasooth, Omega-3 Max, Free Out, or even Hepaclean or D-Berry from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, when and why is it reactivating? And this is actually the key to your treatment. If you understand why and what you're going through in your life, maybe something happened that is stressing you out. Maybe you are doing some type of change with your diet. You're not sleeping well. Or there's something you're practicing that is not giving you the power to your immune system to stay healthy, is probably going to reactivate the appearance of this virus on your skin. Now, there are other factors, like, for example, being older in age, where the immune system naturally weakens as we age, seeing chronic stress with something that is happening in our life, or maybe we have an immunosuppressive disease, which might include conditions like HIV, AIDS, cancer, or undergoing chemotherapy, which obviously increase the risk. The weaker your body is, the worse your situation will be. And this is why at the beginning in the video I said shingles and herpes zoster loves to see people that are dehydrated, don't eat well, don't sleep well. And this is where we come to understand that if you do not fortify your immune system, you are practically not going to be able to control this situation. If you need something natural for this purpose, for maybe improving your immune system, seeing that nerve damage and the pain that you have are reducing, look for something like Neuromatrix, Cerasooth, Metathyroid, or I'm Defense from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, how do you fix the situation you are in today? So the first thing you need to think about is prevention. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're sleeping well, that you're keeping yourself hydrated, you're drinking enough water every day, that you're having a healthy diet, that you're regularly exercising and not sitting around all day watching TV. Because the more your body has a good circulatory health, the more the nutrients, the ingredients, every single tool that your immune system is going to use is going to be able to apply it to combating this shingles that is appearing on your body. This is central. This is extremely important, and much more than what I'm going to tell you that you have to do now to make sure that shingles disappears because you're seeing something that you just can't control. Now that you understand about prevention, let's talk about what you have to do to make sure that the pain you feel and the symptoms you see go away. The first thing you need to consider is that this that you have right now is going to take maybe a couple days or weeks to disappear or to reduce, and you're still going to feel the pain, but you're going to be working on it to make sure that your immune system is up again and running and controlling the virus to stay in these nerves. That is where they're going to stay dormant for the rest of your life. That's how it works. What you need to do, the first thing you need to do is calm yourself down. Stop worrying, stop stressing yourself up, because the more you stress, the more cortisol you produce, the less your immune system is going to be able to fight against it. The second thing you need is make sure that you're not eating a high concentrated diet in fats or heavy foods that are not digestible. The least you digest, the more work you're going to give your body with digestion instead of dealing with that immune system that is going to improve the situation that you're living with. And number 3 is sleep. You need to make sure that you get enough rest, that you are resting. That is the key to this treatment. If you rest well, if you sleep well, if you eat well, if you exercise, if you're not nervous, you're not stressed out, you are well hydrated, your body's going to be able to improve its symptoms and obviously see that metabolic rate function and combat any situation that you're facing. Obviously, with everything that I've talked about, you need to make sure that your thyroid is working, that your nerves have enough nutrients to combat the situation so that you don't feel the pain, you don't see that infection on your skin just growing and not being able to control it. These can be dealt or be strong or improved with supplements. Supplements like Ceresooth, Neuromatrix, I'm Defense, Free Out, Omega-3 Max, all of these will help you. Vitamin C, liposomal vitamin C if you can. All of these will help you improve that immune function so that you see that the shingles start to go away and you start to control them. Remember, the more shingles you see, the more wrapped around you see it around your body, or the bigger the situation you're facing, obviously the worse these things can get and the worse the situation can obviously worsen. Don't forget to give this a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.